you in your robe.
And look at you, how handsome you look in your robe. Let's see, you want to go and get your dirty clothes out? Oh. Where are you going to go now? Yeah, you're going to vacuum? I'm going to vacuum, baby. I'm going to vacuum, yes I am. I'm going to vacuum, baby. I'm going to vacuum, yes I am. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You're going to vacuum your little rug. You don't like your robe, huh? You don't like that handsome robe? It's so handsome, though. It's got trucks on it. It's got trucks. Yeah. Oh, no. You don't like it? Well, we have to go have your bath before you... What are you doing back there? Jackson! What are you doing? You know you're not supposed to touch that. Electricals. You got a truck on your head.
Oh, God.
Oh, dear. Oh, truck. What does the truck do? Does it go honk? Revealed.
Big belly.
Yeah. Vacuuming in your robe. Uh-oh, did something fall down there? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. You looking at another area which you'd like to get, which you're not supposed to get? The diaper trash?
Nature boy.
Oh, look at... No more robe. Yeah. Oh, see, you're peeing. Look, we gotta go to the potty. Okay.